Stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium covers the cornea of the eye and conjunctiva from the outside, lining the oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, vagina. Consider a section of the cornea of the eye. The stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, like any surface epithelium, is located at the interface of two environments of the body, internal and external. Therefore, it looks like a strip on the outer surface of the organ on the preparation. Stratified epithelium consists of several layers of cells. That means not all cells are adjacent to the basement membrane, but only the cells of the lower basal layer. By the way, in the corneal epithelium, the basement membrane reaches 1 micron and is visible at the light optical level. That means on the preparation. This is the basement membrane. Further, on the basement membrane are the cells of the basal layer. Some of these cells are stem cells, others have already entered to the path of differentiation. The nuclei of these cells are oval and located perpendicular to the basement membrane. The next layer is spinous. The cells of the spinous layer are no longer in contact with the basement membrane. These cells polygonal in shape with rounded nuclei. Well, the surface layer is a layer of flat cells. The nuclei of these cells are elongated, rod-shaped, and lie parallel to the basement membrane. So briefly, on this preparation it is necessary to determine stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium, a basement membrane, basal layer of cells, spinous layer of cells, a superficial layer with flat cells.